Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is McDonald. Today I'm going to show you my farm. Here on this farm we have a chicken, a horse, and these are my cows. They look so cute, aren't they? Okay, let me show you around. Let's zoom in. Here's a machine that I use to make food for the animals. Look, I can do this. Ready? I can turn. Or I can even do this. And you can see all the grains inside. They're going up. It is so cool, isn't it? Okay, let me show you what's next. Here I have a pen for my pig. There's this picture of him on the gate. He looks so cute, isn't he? Okay, let's move on to the next pen. Guess who this is for? That's right, this is for my horse. Here's a picture of him on the gate. And here's a picture of the carrots, which I usually feed him. Okay, let's move on. Here's an empty pen. I still don't know who to put in here yet. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Who I should put in the pen, so they can have a home like the rest of the animals on my farm. Okay, let's move on. And this is a pen for the cows. Here's one cow, and here's the second cow. They're a family. I really like them. Do you like cows? Leave a comment below and let me know. Okay, let's go up here. This is a place for my chicken. This is where she sleeps, and this is where her children sleep. She just gave birth to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 eggs. A really happy family, aren't they? Okay, let's move on. Oh look, I have a surprise for you guys. Look, are you ready? Cool, isn't it? This is a bell that I use to wake up all the animals on the farm. Okay, let's move on. And this is a rooftop. I have all the arrows up here just for decoration. Sometimes I stand on top of the arrows. Are you ready for this? Go! And I just spin myself around. Whew. I feel dizzy now. Okay, let's get off. Okay guys, that is my farm. Now let's put all the animals inside where they belong. First we're going to put the chicken in her nest. Great. Now let's put the horse in his pen. Let's open the gate for him. And we're going to put him inside his pen. Bye horse. And we have the cows left. And we're going to put the cows inside the pen. Here's the picture of the cows. And we're going to open this. And we're going to put the cows inside the pen. Good. Now we have some food for the horse and the cows. What do you think horses eat? We have corn and we have tomato. I'm going to give my horse the tomato. Here it is. Have a good meal, horse. And I'm going to give the cows the corns. Here it is, guys. Have fun eating. Okay. Oh, I have this magic button right here. Let's press on it to see what it says.
animals are
Oh.
like us. They get hungry and thirsty too. They need someone to take care of them. Could that someone be you?
Yay! That is me! I take care of the animals and I love doing that. Do you like take care of the animals? Leave a comment below. Okay, let's see what else we can hear from this. You ready to press the button? Go! Oh my!
My horse makes his coat healthy. And he loves it.
Yes! Okay, let's close the gate. Let's press it one more time.
On the farm there's cows and pigs, some chickens, and a horse. Who loves taking care of them? The farmer does, of course.
Yes, I'm a farmer and I like taking care of animals. Great! Now, let's press it one more time. I'm having so much fun, guys.
There's
Oh
Mama
my!
Cow. She loves taking care of her baby calf.
Yes! So we call the adult cow a cow. And we call a small cow a calf. We learned something new today, guys. Let's move on. Oh, this is my song. That was too short. Let's keep going.
Don't worry, Piggy. I'll clean you up.
Ooh. Oh, forgot to tell you guys this. I don't know where the pig went. Maybe he's hungry, but I'm going to find him later. Sorry, guys.
Mama hen has a comfy little nest where she cares for her chicks and she takes a little rest.
Oh, look, we have one more button up here. See what it can do. Oh, look, guys. Can you guys see this? When I press the button, and the eggshell moves up and it exposes the chickens. So cool. Let's look at this. Oh my. So cool, guys. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for coming to my farm. I hope you enjoy watching the video. If you like my farm and enjoy watching the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.